Hi, I'm Debbie, the Disney Nonna, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to unbox these Lorcana cards. You can see which deck this is. It is a full deck ready for playing. I am a collector though, so I am actually not playing the game. So I'm gonna take them out and show each one. You gotta be patient because I do not have a tripod with me today. Okay, take the packaging out. Here's the packaging. Everything that you get in there. You get a whole stack of cards. You get an extra booster pack. Then you get information on the trading card game. And then you actually get tokens for the game. So let's look and see what we get. Let me unwrap this wrapping real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna show each card one by one. This is the first foil card. And the second foil card in this set. And again, this set is the Evil Queen and the Gaston set, Rise of the Firstborn. It is the Amber and Sapphire. Okay, let's just start looking at the next ones. We've got Bashful, Christopher Robin, Doc, Dopey, Gaston, the Grand Duke, Grumpy, Happy. The artwork on these are great. LeFou, Sleepy. There were several Sleepies. Sneezy. Snow White. The gorgeous Evil Queen. How beautiful is that? Painting the roses red. Absolutely love Alice in Wonderland, so it's nice. Belle. I believe I have her in from another set. I will look to see. Cruella de Vil. In her sports car. Nice. Herm Flaversham. Judy Hopps. We have Owl from Winnie the Pooh. Phil. The Knock, Water Spirit, Winnie the Pooh, 4 dozen eggs, says Launch, Fang Crossbow, Gumbo Pop, Popsicle. Pretty awesome. Okay, so and then in there is an additional set, which these are the single sets that you can buy. So I'm going to open this one up and we will look to see what we have here. We have Basil. We have a Grumpy. We have Merlin as a squirrel. Okay, loving that. I'm hoping to see more of maybe the Merlin and Mim in their alternate forms. That'd be pretty fabulous. Felicia, Queen of Hearts, Tiana, You Can Fly, Big Daddy, Bounce, Honest John. Oh, look, we have another The Great Mouse Detective. I love that movie. Oh, and a foil. Okay, the foil, you can see it has like a sheen, is Arthur. That's beautiful. And then here's another piece. I think when you collect all of these, you make actually a whole piece together. It'll all be like a large card when it's done. So that is this particular Lorcana set. I have another set I will unbox and share with you guys. It is also Rise of the Floodborn, but it is a different set. I think it's the Merlin set that I got. I got these for my birthday. So if you like this, please like, subscribe. Tell me, are you collecting these? Are you playing these? Are you just collecting them? When I have extras, I will definitely be willing to swap cards with people because I think it's kind of a fun thing. I love the artwork. And when you have extras, I've already talked to Kat. I think the Snack Cat is going to be collecting them. So I'll have extras for her. We'll be doing some swapping. But if you're interested in swapping cards, well, let me know. And we can look and see what duplicates we each have. That's all I've got for you today. I hope that you find magic in your day, and I will see you in the next video.